Oh. Back at Audi. So sad. Well, there you go. R8's covered up. Oh. What up, world? Welcome back to the episode of Skinny's World. Well, as you see by the thumbnail, I'm not gonna snake you anymore. I'm not gonna keep you waiting. The verdict is in. Got all the facts ready for the R8, the Batmobile. Got good news and bad news. The good news is I won't be that broke. The bad news is it's gonna be a minute before it's fixed. Well, let's get started. So, as you saw from the previous video, I broke down in the In-N-Out drive-thru, got pushed through, and I was a little concerned that the car was gonna be the gearbox, transmission, somewhere in that area that broke. So nervous it was gonna cost me a whopping $10,000, $8,000 or so. That's what I was worried about. Well, the next day, get a call. He asked me, "You sitting down?" Yes, I'm sitting down. This was not as bad as you think. It's bad, not as bad as you think. So he hits me with this. The problem was the transmission control module. That's what it says. I'm not a car guy, obviously, so I had him explain it to me. I drive, but I don't work on cars. Transmission control module. Everything's electrical in these cars, you know, so it explains why the car did not want to go in gear. Then it's sitting for a while, then didn't want to go in gear. I was able to drive it to the dealer. The module went out. So that part is $1,969.99 just for the part. Now the tax on the car, because obviously we live in America, gotta pay taxes. The taxes on the car, on that part, $152.68. Just the taxes. The labor, $875. That brings the total cost to a whopping $2,997.68. I mean, yo. I mean, I know what you're thinking. It ain't 8 to 10 grand like I thought. Yes, it's not 8 to 10 grand. Thankfully, it ain't 8 to 10 grand. But it's 3 grand, pretty much. Round that up, that's 3 grand. Gone. Whew. But here's the catch. The part, it's not in the US. I have to order from Germany. Yes, Germany. Germany. Means it's not in the US. It takes 7 to 10 business days to get that part. Have to wait for the part to come in. And we all know how that works. It's not coming in 7 to 10 business days. It's gonna be like 13, 14. Hopefully the part's not on back order. From what I'm told, it's not on back order, but we all know how that works. It never works out the way you want to. 7 to 10 business days. I get it. Buy a foreign car, exotic car. Parts are not made in the US, they don't hold them here, I know. But the one part I need is not in stock in the US. Oh my goodness. Having withdrawals. I missed the Batmobile already. Ugh. Yes, and you guys saw me putting the car cover on the car because they can't park the car inside. There is nowhere to park the car inside. So I had to cover the car up. The poor Batmobile is sitting outside. So I had to give it a cover. So I'm not gonna have my car sit out in the rain or in the hot sun for 7 to 10 days. That's just not gonna happen. Oh man, poor Batmobile. I know he's over there waiting for me right now, thinking about me, because I'm thinking about him. But that concludes it, guys. Almost $3,000 is what it's gonna cost to fix the Batmobile, and 7 to 10 days to wait for the Batmobile. So my heart is aching. It hurts. But it's not gonna stop me though, because because once it gets fixed, I still have plans to go to MFR, get the aero put on, get a big wing after that, do some other upgrades, you know. So we're gonna keep moving and striving. I'll keep you guys updated on what comes next, but as of right now, the Batmobile is out of commission. Till next time, please subscribe, hit that like button. All y'all gotta share now because I gotta get them likes and subscribes to get the Batmobile out. $3 grand in the hole, you know what I'm saying? But hey, till next time guys, join the movement, Skinny's Roll y'all, and we out.